Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another fun and very simple Dollar Tree DIY for us. Today we're going to be making a pair of pedestal candle holders. And so what we'll need is you're going to need two of these, I guess these would be candle holders or maybe a small vase from Dollar Tree. And then you're also going to need two of these candlestick holders. You're going to need some masking tape. I have two different kinds of diamond wrap here, and so you'll need diamond wrap. I've got some silver spray paint, and I have some peeling stick gemstones that I picked these up at Walmart, but you can find them on a half sheet size at your local Dollar Tree. And you're going to need some hot glue. If you want to make this project permanent, use E6000. These are the items that we'll need to get this project completed, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get these painted, and once the paint is dry, then I'll come back and show you guys how it looks when I peel the tape off. Aren't these gorgeous? Now let's go ahead and decorate with them. Well, there you have it, guys. A simple, beautiful glam DIY project. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. I'd like to thank each of you for stopping by Cozy Casita. You're always welcome. If you like these kinds of DIYs, share them with your friends And also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.